the center ring, beneath the lights, a lion breathes in the hush of night. Golden eyes watch every move, testing courage, testing groove. The tamer stands with a steady hand, every breath quiet, every step planned. Strength and calm in perfect blend, facing the wild he must befriend. With a heart that calms the wild inside, holding steady through each rising tide. Courage shaped by patience and skill, guiding power with focused will, mastering fear with gentle grace, standing firm in a dangerous place. Training stitched in his stance, every motion a practice dance. The crowd sees bravery fierce and bright, but he knows the truth of managing might. One wrong step and the stakes grow high, yet he moves strength with restraint in every breath, walking the line between trust and death. With a heart that calms the wild inside, holding steady through each rising tide. Courage shaped by patience and skill, guiding power with focused will, mastering fear with gentle grace. Standing firm in a dangerous place. True strength is quiet when the wild draws near.